How to fix Xbox app can't sign in issue. 1. Install the missing Windows updates. 2. Make sure that Xbox related services aren't disabled. 3. Clear the local Xbox identity data, accounts and cache folders at %user_profile %_local_packages/local/microsoft.xbox_identity provider_8week5 3d8bv/ac/token broker. 4. Reinstall the Xbox app. To do so, run getapps package, the listers for each apps package disable development mode register $__install location, appxmanifest.xml. PowerShell command as admin. 5. Run reg add hklm/system/current control set /services/xbl off manager /vsvc host split disable /treg_dword/d1/f command as admin. 6. Ensure Xbox related services are starting with your PC. 7. Restart your PC. 8. Disable problematic apps by performing Windows Clean Boot. 9. Windows Clean Boot. 9. Disconnect the second monitor. 10. Start the application from the administrator account.